Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop solutions for the latest job updates and career guidance. If you are looking for an opportunity at Amazon, then this video is just for you. Because today we will dive into an exciting opportunity at Amazon India for the role of Operation Analyst in Reward Operations team at Amazon Pay in India. So, if you are someone who wants to step into the world of finance operation, stay tuned till the end because we'll break down everything you need to know from the job details, responsibilities, and how you can apply. So, but before diving don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done till now, and give a thumbs up if you like our work. And that's it, because you know we bring 3+ job opportunities daily on this particular YouTube channel. So let's dive in. So as you can see, is Amazon India is hiring for position of operation analyst in reward operation under the Amazon Pay India. Here are the company details as you can see over here. It's Bangalore location. Department is advertising, account management, etc. The Let's understand a little bit about the job. So Amazon is basically looking for a analyst to manage reward operations for Amazon India payments business. So the ideal candidate must be proficient in Microsoft Excel and process driven to deliver the best customer experience. This role involves handling IBD reconciliation process by working closely with multiple banks and internal stakeholders to ensure seamless transaction reconciliations. So the key responsibilities of this particular role is going to be, end-to-end process executions in reconciliation for settlement operations, collaborating with partners and internal teams to maintain 100% SLA adherence, act as an operational consultant for internal customers dealing with digital categories. Along with that, providing regular reporting on SLAs and processes. You will also have to ensure there are no exceptions in IBD reconciliations. So these are the kind of responsibilities once you join Amazon, along with some other also, as like you'll work with external partners as such as banks and internal teams like accounting and finance to recover dues timely. Plus, you'll also partner with tech teams to resolve process issues and develop long-term solutions. You might also have to perform regular MIS reporting and track key metrics. So it's a kind of you'll get exposure to Excel reports. You might have to work even with Power BI and Tableau as well. So this is going to be a good role. You can jump into a business analyst role after this. So this was preferred qualifications they have mentioned. Basic qualification is only a bachelor degree. Preferred qualification is like if you have experience in reconciliation process, then you are preferred over the others. But even if you don't have any experience, do apply to it because it's a freshers opening. So and they are hiring now, and it actively they are hiring for this particular role as I got to know. So apply as soon as possible. And also Amazon ensures an inclusive and diverse workplace where candidates from all backgrounds are welcome. If you have a disability and require workplace accommodations, you can visit to their official website and request for support during the application and hiring process. So that was all about this particular role. If you like this, if you think this particular job is fit for you, then make sure to apply as soon as possible. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for onwards, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest job openings and career tips, because we are bringing 3 job updates daily on this particular YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe to it and support us. And let us know in the comment section if you are applying for this role. And if you have any doubt related to job applications or anything else, then you can ping us, or you can just comment in the comment box. And also we are coming in depth series of data analytics on our other channel, which is Tech. The link for the same would be mentioned in the description. Do check it out once, and if you like it, do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe that as well. And that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep forging ahead in your career journey. See you in the next video.